Big up Lion Food TV, Americ. It's a chatty, a big up the station, you know. I'm going to sing a little thing for you when we call name. Whoa, whoa! I can't find no cure for them. Bad mind can't find no cure for them. A bad mind can't find no cure for them. I'm going to tell you, big up Americ. A chatty says so.
Production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth. So we are going to please take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing. Yes, man. So I say, yo, big up everybody, you know, all my kings and queens, lion and lioness, lovers and haters, friends and families. So I say, yes, man. A unity will say, stop the crime. No, we have to pay kudos and give credit, you know what I mean, accolades to the police them for carrying out them work, and the the citizens them, the civilians them, you know what I mean, the neighborhood watch them who are passing on intelligence and information to the police. Yes, man. Together we rise, divided we fall. If we don't, the crime rate will keep on escalating and it will end up on the doorstep. Viewers and subscribers, major findings from the police force, the JDF and the JCF. So yo, we are pay the bills and forward back.
Yes, this is your boy Twin Brothers from the Royal Maroon Earth, 48 Right Lane, Peckham. Big up Lion Food TV. What you say?
Man.
Lion Food TV.
We say we're there with the natural herbs, you know?
Yeah.
How you say?
But so we have some herbs there, you know? Guinea hen weed. This is pepper elder, Guinea hen weed. You understand? Come and get your herbs. We have all the type of herbs. We have your sea moss, your Irish moss, your sorrel. Sorrel there for you. Cane juice.
Yeah, man.
You
Natural
understand?
cane juice, you know?
Come back
good for your
now.
digesting system and give you a lot of energy, you know?
King Kiliba
Yeah,
from Gambia. Good for your circulation. You understand? You follow what I'm saying?
Round leaf fern, you know? Good for anything, any mucus you have on your chest. Yeah, man. I hit this, you know?
And
Round
this
leaf
one,
fern.
yeah, baobab. Where 6 times antitoxin, them glue, 6 times potassium, and 6 times vitamin C, offering 50 heart, 35 calcium, more magnesium than coconut water, and 66% more iron than spinach.
Yeah.
You're a baobab. Come and get your baobab right here, right lane, Peckham. You understand? Bless up the baobab, you know?
Yeah, man.
I just over
Royal
there.
Maroon, we say.
And big up Lion Food TV.
Yanko.
For life
Yanko,
from Peckham.
Lion foot.
Right, yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Stay
the
strong.
right foot, you know?
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Royal Maroon Herbs. Go and check them out. 48 Peckham Rally. Them have all the herbs for your health, you know what I mean? Any sickness, you know what I mean? Them also have cancer treatment, you know what I mean? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so don't know, big up Royal Maroon Herbs. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you some footage, and also I'm going to hear one of the police men, you know what I mean, in charge of the raid speak as well. So watch what I go on.
JCF continues its anti-crime effort. Today, a team of officers from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, the Specialized Operations, along with members of the Jamaica Defense Force, personnel from the K9 division as well did an operation at Stadium East based on intelligence that we received. During the operation, which started about 2:30 this afternoon, we recovered one AK-47 rifle, one Uzi submachine gun, and a shotgun along with 53 assorted rounds, as well as a number of magazines.
Yes, man, I hear the man say major findings, and I mean, in the stadium side, it's a mountain view. As I say, right at the football stadium, I don't know, the man them say them now left till them find all guns and more firearms. You see me I say, the man them have all bulldozer, the man them have dog. You see me I say, the man them forget also on tractor to and drone. You see me? And not just Mountain View, them forgot all over Jamaica, the island, especially Mobile. You see me I say, talking about Mobile, my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think. You know what I mean? I don't know if I want to glad to see that right now in the paper. Me myself, glad to see that say, the police them find some high-powered rifle. You see me? Yes, man, and whole heap of rounds. But now my viewers and subscribers talking about Mobile. So the firearms them are being found. More are coming. So them are coming and so them are fine. So them fine, more are coming. You see me? So in the article I saw 20 handguns were seized at the cargo section at Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, St. James. I know St. James is knuckleated with the crime right now. People just are drop with all of the gangs them and the scamming them. You see me? Yes, and the artists them to we mix up and fund the badness. We have to stop the crime. You know what I mean? So 20 handguns were seized. You know what I mean? At the airport, at the cargo section. You know what I say? And that is just a great findings. You know what I mean? Well done again to the staff them at the airport, because you know people at the airport can easily be bought. You know what I mean? Bribed. You see me I say so? Well done, well done. We need to get a hold of this crime where escalated all over the island of Jamaica. And we say blessed love, thanks and protection upon each and every one who watch and listen to the vlog here right now. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know, I'm living with a policeman and now share my experience. You see me? It's like them did a trail him, a man and a woman. You know, them use the woman them for run program. So the police here share his experience, his ordeal. You know what I mean? Where he had to fight for his life and ended up dirt the perpetrator who tried to dirt him. You see me I say so, I'm going to make on the ear where the general I say and share my experience. You don't know so. Well done to the police, and you don't know, don't drop your guard, don't take no check. Yes man, so watch where I go.
I was on a bus coming from Portmore. I went to visit my months-old daughter. I was coming back. I was in a Toyota Coaster bus. It was one of those buses that runs from Portmore to Halfway Tree. When the bus reached the Portmore Mall, that is just before you go on the toll road, 3 men tried to get into the bus. But the driver saw what was happening, drove off. Only one got to come on. I was seated in the bus about 3 rows from the back on the driver's side. He came and sit directly across from me to my left in the row that the doctor usually sits. And he kept looking at me the whole time. He had an heart, I couldn't see his face. But the position of the heart at times, I know that he was looking at me because the peak turned to my direction. When he reached about the Freeport, just before he reached Hunts Bay, the corner there, a female I suspect that was working with him said, "Driver, give me a stop here, sir." And I laughed for a while. I look at her, and at the corner of my eyes, I saw a shadow. So when I looked to my left, I saw him with the fire. He was getting up with the fireman in his hand. He said to me, "Shh," and I nodded affirmatively and said, "Okay." And he took about a half a step and turned back and said, "Hey, police boy," pointing the gun at me. I said, "Hey, police boy, I know you're not dead for dead." And I had my service pistol. I couldn't draw. I was point blank range. So what I did, I just sprang out in my left side. That's when I got the first shot. Shot got in my left upper arm. Ran towards him. Same way. Tried to lift my left hand. Was useless because the shot damaged the nerve instantly. And I held on to his right hand, which had the gun, and put it in my head side. And I had to hold his hand and move it slightly. That's when he got up, shot almost my head. There's a scar right here which grazed my left ear. And the other one was still, we were there tussling. And he fired one more which hit me in my left side. I managed to ease him off, I kicked him, his gun fell to the ground. When his gun fell to the ground, he went under a seat, so he was trying to take it up back. I then pulled my firearm, it wasn't charged. I had to make it ready, but when I tried to lift my left hand, it was useless, as I said. So I had to run it on my belt parallel to my thigh. That's how I charge it. Yeah. Just run it down, my belt parallel to my thigh down, and charge it. And just at that time, he was coming up with his firearm, I guess, to finish me off, and I fired some shot in his direction and he fell to the ground.
Okay, my viewers and subscribers, the man that tell us, boy, him in the bus, and him notice the brother look for him, and the woman look for him, and say, one stop, like them choose the spot where them want to carry out the action. So the police, luckily, under his observation, him see what go on and never take no check on, you know what I mean, he retaliate quickly and swiftly, and just know say it was a do or die moment or situation, you know what I mean, that happened so that he is the one who came out alive. Again, we are telling you them say, stop the crime, with viewers and subscribers. I don't know. I Lion Foot with another vlog where I did when I boast and I brag. We say give thanks for the support. Your support is highly appreciated. And once again to the youth them, stop the crime. The whole Jamaica, Kingston country. Yes man, there's a way out. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to take crime for it. An eye for an eye, tooth for a tooth. But at the end of the day we are say, stop the crime. Too much innocent lives are being lost. Yes man. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? Yes, man. And once again, peace and love. I'm out. Not another word out of me. I'm out.
In support of all victims of abuse.
No more I'm keeping this dirty secret. I ain't scared no more. That's why I come to reveal it. I've been holding it for many, many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I wish I did stay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.